Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to solve a question of LeetCode, that is minimum number of arrows to burst balloons. It is 452nd question on LeetCode and it comes under medium category. Alright, so let us start with the problem statement. There are some spherical balloons tapped onto a flat wall that represent the XY plane. The balloons are represented as a 2D integer array points where points I is equal to x start comma x end denotes a balloon where horizontal diameter stretches between x start and x end. You don't know the exact y-axis of the balloon. The arrows can be shot up directly vertical from different points along the x-axis. A balloon with x start and x end is burst by an arrow shot at x. If x start is less than equal to x less than equal to x end, there is no limit to the number of arrows that can be shot. A short arrow keeps traveling infinitely, bursting your balloons in its path. So basically in this question we have given a 2D integer array, and in this 2D integer array we have given a set of points. This set of points represents the diameter of the horizontal diameter of the balloons, and we need to shot the arrows vertically to burst the balloons, and we need to return the minimum number of arrows that must be shot to burst all the balloons. So basically we need to find the minimum number of arrows that can be used to burst almost all the balloons. Alright, so the basic approach which we're gonna follow here is the greedy approach. Like we will be sorting the given sets of numbers in like by the this endpoint. Alright, like the second point of this given set. Alright, so let's just first sort the given point. So let me write a function sort points dot begin points dot end, and let's compare it. Alright, now let's write a static function here. So static bool compare. Let's take two vectors here. So vector int a and vector int b. Alright, now let's just compare it. So return a1 less than a b1. Alright, now this will sort our given points set into our ascending order in respect of their second point. Alright, now let's take two variables like int arrows. Initially it will be equal to 1, like we need at least one arrow to burst all the balloons. Alright, and let's take another integer, let's name it last. It will be representing the last, like the maximum number of balloons we can short at that point. Alright, so let's initialize it by the first set, so like the highest value of the first set, so a, like the ending point of the first set, so a0 and a1. Alright, so now let's run a for loop to iterate through the given, like the sorted 2D array. So int I is equal to 1, I should be less than points dot size I plus plus. Now check if our last is less than points I0, then what we will do, just we will increase the arrow number. Alright, and let's update the last by current, it's points. Now let's update last 5 points I comma 1. Alright, like the current set. Alright, so at the end just return arrow from here. Alright, so basically what we are checking here is that, like if the last, like if the ending point of the given set is greater than the starting point of this, then definitely it will be covering the balloons of that another set also. So we are checking the another condition for that, like if the last is less than the next condition, so we will be shooting the another arrow for the next set. All right, so that's what I have written here. And for the another condition, it will do nothing. All right, like the arrows will be same, like we don't need to sort any arrow for that. All right, so now let's just run it. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's submit it. All right, it's fine. Now let's calculate the time and space complexity. So time complexity of our solution is big O of n of log of n, since we are iterating through each element of our given 2D vector, and like we are sorting the 2D vector, so it will take around big O of n log n time complexity, and space complexity is big O of log of n, since our sorting function will take around log n time complexity in C++. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any doubt in this question, feel free to comment it down. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.